Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks, and in today's video I've got another unboxing video. I just thought I'd get this video on the road. So I was looking online on the Louis Vuitton website about a week ago, and I seen that they'd launched some new kind of products for fall. Been really after this kind of coin key card holder in yellow, but it's just been seems to have been sold out since like May or June or something like that. So this is kind of like my wee replacement I got for it. So we start off with, we usually get a little bit of Louis Vuitton packaging, a little kind of envelope, and that just has like a wee bit of Louis Vuitton saying thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton, and Louis Vuitton has continued to innovate, been since 1854 even, and it's got your receipt in there. So if I open up, we've got the cute little Louis Vuitton box as usual. It's got a little what do you call it, the wee card inside that you can write stuff if you're going to give it to somebody. Quite like the packaging that they do nice little hand pulled ribbon there. So if we slide that across, there we go. I'm going to slide that out. And we've got like a little drawer. It's quite cute and delicate. Got a little dust bag, says Louis Vuitton, going across the top there. And a piece de resistance is a little card holder. But I thought it was pretty cool and neat. As you can see, they've got a whole collection, which I thought was really amazing on the website. You can get like bags and larger kind of wallets and bowls, but this one's a little card holder, purely because I've got a kind of fold out wallet, so you can put all your cards and money in. I thought this is quite nice just to slip in your pocket if you're going to the cinema or something. And I've got a little bit of a Louis Vuitton telling us it's coated fabric, cowhide leather lining, and it's just looking there if it zooms in. It says Louis Vuitton in there. Made in Spain, this particular piece is made. I quite like, I said, I really like the graphics on it, and in the front particularly, there was a little French kind of bellman looking there. I need to say French because we've got the Eiffel Tower there, obviously marking France. There is some pieces that's got like the Moscow Square, which would be obviously in Russia, and there's other bits like boats and things like that and other pieces, but this particular one, you can zoom in, the guy himself's carrying a Louis Vuitton bag, and I thought the detail on that was pretty phenomenal considering the size of the piece. And yeah, that's something you can get a little bit of wear with it. I quite like the feel when you get the new leather. It's kind of coarse, and it obviously with the use and grease in your fingers and stuff like that, it kind of gets softer with time. But yeah, just hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing video. Just wanted to share with you this kind of fall 2019 piece. It's kind of got like a blue stripe going along the edge, just to kind of, if you can kind of see that there, and again at the top it's a little bit different from your standard, and I quite like it. So yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video of the Louis Vuitton card simple, but basically, let's see if I can picture my French again. Porte Carte simple, so just really a simple card holder I guess is the French for that. But yeah, there we go, one last look. So thanks very much for, oh there we go, one last look, there we go. So thanks very much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like the channel below, subscribe to Thomas Talks below if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.